Welcome to Urban Spelunking with Tatsubo's wife. What is it he says? Hello, YouTube. So this is the window where the birds are getting in.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera. This is our attic space, roof space, where you can see, here, let's see, I've got a headlamp on, fogging up my glasses. There you can see it just kind of all goes out to the end with a whole bunch of blown in insulation. Where is it? There's the broken support right in the middle there. And all the way out on the end, that gray, that's the roof of the house where it used to end. And it's now, because everything here is the build out. Everything here is the living room build out. And it comes around right back to the end here. So one thing that lets me know is that the crawl space over the washer looks in on an entirely different space than what I'm seeing right here. So that's why there's two access. Not just you can be at one end or the other, but you need that access on the other side. So isn't this horribly, horribly exciting? But we heard something in the wall the other day, and we suspect that this window with the screening that's picked out, birds are getting in. Not much longer. Sorry, birds.
Here's my wife in the attic. I've given her some screen and a stapler, and now we're gonna try to cover up the hole, and then we'll get a shot of when she's done what it looks like. Can you do it, sweetie?
I should be able to.
And we're hoping that the birds, we think it might be birds. It's
It's birds.
It's daytime, so we're hoping they're out, because I really don't want to block birds into my attic and have them die. You know, but we can't have them living in there, because when I open this panel up, this plywood panel, twigs fell out. That was not a good sign. So we'll get you an after action shot in a few minutes. Here we have an action shot of my wife hammering in staples with a little tiny stubby hammer, which is cool because I thought it was cute, but now it's actually come in handy. Sorry for the shake. This is an awkward position.
The hard thing is going to be trying to get staples in on this side.
All right. Our heavy-duty stapler has failed us because of the board that is between the screen and that space in there. You can probably see it. That board is getting in the way, so we can't get the stapler in there. So right now we're trying finishing nails, and then we're going to bend them over, because I don't have any U staples, the ones you hammer in. I may own some, I'm just not really sure where they are. But as long as we get enough in there that the birds cannot force their way through, that's all that matters. Nothing else is really important.
Yeah, and I think we're going to accomplish that here.
Right. The squirrels can't get up there, probably because there's a sheer wall on the outside of the building. There's no trees here or anything, so it definitely is birds. Little avian interlopers. So back in a moment with a finishing shot. Hold on a second. Sorry, I had to bring you down where I can actually turn you off. Alrighty, let me get out of your way now. Hope that wasn't recording. Oh, it was. Great. What?
I just knocked a whole bunch of insulation down. I don't know if you want to get that before I come down or what.
Okay, give me a second. Sorry, YouTube. This is going to be a farewell. See you later.